Hello everyone, it's Rebecca from Papeterie de Choix, and welcome to Tag Along Tuesday. I'm here to create something slightly new based on something I've already done. I did these probably 3 or 4, maybe 5 months ago, kind of in the springtime a little bit. I found this paper pad on sale at Hobby Lobby, Natural Botanicals 2, $5. Couldn't resist, so I've just been playing with it a little bit off and on. So this is the first set that I made. I put down a dictionary page, then put down a piece of craft paper over it. I outlined all these with black ink. So there's that one. This is probably my favorite as far as the design on the front. This one is a dictionary page with a little dictionary pocket with a little piece of craft paper over it so it can be written on. This one is a craft paper on the back with a folded dictionary page to make a little pocket. And then this one is a dictionary page with some a little bit bigger images, and I used like an antique white paint and just brushed over it lightly to kind of knock back the type so that it could be written on. So what I'm going to make tonight, because it is not, is I made these two. This one has one corner pocket here with a dictionary page on the back, a corner pocket that goes all the way down, and this one is a dictionary page with two pockets, with the front one having a little dictionary image, so you have two shallow pockets here. So what I'm going to do is marry the two together. So have a diagonal pocket and then one pocket here. Now this is my third attempt to film this video because evidently I didn't have my head on straight, but what I finally did do was get one done completely so I can at least show you what it's supposed to look like. So this burgundy one is the same pattern as this green one. They are out of different dictionaries as far as the dictionary on the back, but what I did was put down a dictionary page with an image up here at the right hand side, did a corner pocket here, and then a pocket here. On this one, or on all of these, I docked the corners with a punch that I have with this punch, this right here, and then made the hole with that. But on these, I'm using this diagonal punch. So this is what I'm going to make. So that I can actually get through the video, I'm only going to do one. I can show you what I've already tried and completely messed up on. In fact, I might just pick up these. So these are 3 that I started doing like 30 minutes ago, and just I don't know, must be in a long day. It's Monday. Let's call it, I'll blame it on Monday. So here's 3 that I started a few minutes ago. Actually, I have another one over here. So here's another one. So what I'm going to do is, I think I will just start from the beginning so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Not that it's, you know, rocket science, but we will give it a whirl. The first thing I need to do is find an image, and I did have some torn out, but they've fallen into the floor, and I've already been through this. I got a fan running, I think that's what it is. Anyway, I'm not doing this again, so I'm just going to tear this down this way. I am going to find my glue stick that was here a second ago and just give this a little bit of a glue all over it on the back side, and I'm going to go right up to the edge. This sheet's got to go in the washer, so it don't matter if I get a little bit of glue on it. Now, the key is to line this up, and I can do it pretty much using this back side. So I want to go right at the top, and then right, looks good to me. Okay, the next step is to trim out around it so that it's just even out, up and down the sides, hopefully without cutting into the tag. Now that was a little bit into it, but it'll be alright. So now I did plan ahead slightly, if you can believe that. Actually, okay, so what I'm going to do here is find I'm going to do this one. I'm going to cut right down along the border of these letters, and then we're going to glue all the way down through here on this side. And I'm right-handed, so I tend to make my pockets this way. But if you're left-handed, feel free to use images. If you want to do it the exact same way, use images, put them on that side, and make your diagonal the other way, if that is more in keeping with your style, if you're left-handed. I'm going to do this before I forget, which is just run a little bit of ink right over that little thing there, and I'm going to hit it with the iron so that it's dry. Now I'm gonna put that right in line like that, go across that way. And I can figure out which way I'm going to turn it now. Come up this way a little bit, put a little bit here. Well, that won't do me any good, will it? Put it about right there. Okay. Now, let's trim this away. This paper, I know there's a lot of old tapestries and other fabric designs in the public domain from, 100 or more years ago, or even a little less than that even. And that's what some of this this design looks like, is old tapestry. And So the dictionary pages to me like complement that, and I think also that dictionary pages make almost any project look older. I don't know about you, but I kind of like the idea of using this bookboard underneath the balcony. Kind of goes together. It's better than some of the other things I have here. So I'm going to again trim right down those lines, and I'm going to trim across through here and hope that it's somewhat straight. Put a little bit of ink across through here. Well, that might have been a little heavy, but we'll make it work. Okay, so I'm going to put glue here and glue here. Like so. Turn it over and give it a trim. And then put a little glue up this way. Stick it under the iron for half a second. Okay, let me go around this, just make sure that I got, that looks about as good as it's going to get. This makes it look a little, it is slightly warped, but today has been a warped day, so we're just going to go with it. Alrighty, so let me find my corner rounder. So I'm going to use a number 10 for this one, and then do this one with the biggest side or size. That's right on the edge, but we managed to not clip any off of it really, maybe just a tiny bit. Okay, so, oh wait, let me do this. So I made me a mark here for when I do 3-inch tags on this side. So I think the bigger tags kind of need that bar, although it does depend on what you're going to put in it. But there is a mark in the middle, but you don't really go by the middle because you don't know where the middle is. You have to go by the edge. So that's my thinking anyway. Alright, so now let's give it a little bit of an ink. And if you have a dictionary that's not really quite vintage, you can always give your pages a little bit of a tea bath or a coffee bath to you know, vintage them up a little bit. I've got some stuff going on. I'm getting ready to, I hope to do it this weekend, but we'll see how it goes. We've been gone 3 out of the past 4 weekends to either our son twice or my parents, because we did get their water fixed, yay. But if we can make it to the weekend and not end up having to go somewhere, I have a little behind the scenes video that I want to do for another type of crafty thing that I've just begun doing and am totally in love with already. It's sort of paper related, or definitely can be paper related, but that's as far as I'll go right now. Okay. I think that's how I did this. Yeah, that's how I did this one. Turn it slightly. Okay. And I just tend to like the jute string on these old-fashioned types as well. So it's just kind of plain, but yet it has some personality. You can tuck it full of various types of ephemera. Something that was related. The one good thing about these botanicals is they go with most anything, most themes, not all themes, but most themes. The other thing is if you're doing a journal that you're wanting to kind of color coordinate, and you're using some olives and burgundies and like the mustard type yellow like this, then this is a good color combination. So I hope that you made it through this video. I didn't think I was for a minute, but yeah, I think we're good. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on Thursday with another video.